In 60 seconds, I'll show how to get Java on Windows for Minecraft. Step 1. Open your browser and go to the official Java download page. Click the Windows installer link and choose the latest Java SE runtime download. Save the installer, then run the file from your downloads folder. Follow prompts, accept the license, keep default components and click install. Once finished, close the installer and restart your computer if prompted. Now open Start, search Environment Variables, and choose Edit the System Environment Variables. In System Properties click Environment Variables, then under System Variables click New. Set variable name to Java_home and variable value to your Java installation path. Add %Java_home%\bin to the path system variable by editing path and adding a new entry. Open command prompt and run Java version to verify installation. You're ready to launch Minecraft with Java. Subscribe for more quick tech guides.